Morning gentlemen, I am Pranay Zala, today going to give lecture on election commission. India is the largest democracy of the whole world, and democracy ensures that we as a citizen elect our leaders through by means of election. The Election Commission of India is the supreme body responsible for administration of elections in India. The Election Commission of India conducts elections of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly in a free and unbiased manner. Election Commission of India was set up under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. Talking about the functions of Election Commission, it includes monitoring the registration process of political parties, issuing code of conduct which is to be followed by every political party, issuing the symbols of various political parties and give them recognition, to check the qualification, assets and criminal records of participating candidates, updating the voter list every year, and to have a check on the expenses during the election period, and at last count the votes after election and ensure the transparency. In current Election Commission of India, there is one Chief Election Commissioner and two other Election Commissioner. The current and 25th Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rajiv Kumar, and other Election Commissioner is Anup Chandra Pandey. Talking about the recent reforms in Election Commission, it includes introduction of electronic voting machines for unbiased voting, introducing electoral photo identity cards, and adding none of the above option in electronic voting machine since 2014. Talking about the recent issues and problems, in 2014 polling was done only 66%, which is considered low, and the political parties are using caste and religion as a tool for filling up their vote banks. Also, the candidates are doing aggressive advertisement and corruption for getting the votes. Also, during the election time, criminal activities are increased and the Election Commission cannot do anything. So I think that there is a need for change in electoral system. Also, there should be an increase in transparency process, and proper management in election process at state level and union level is required. At last, I would also like to say that your vote is your power. Choose wisely. Thank you.